Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate any template in Notion, quickly and easily. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your own copy of a Notion Workspace template, like flashcards, so you can customize it for your needs, experiment without risk, or even share it with others. This skill is super handy whether you're organizing your study routine, managing projects, or just want to keep a backup as you try new things. Let's dive right in. So, here I have a flashcards template in my Notion Workspace. If you're following along, this might be a template you've downloaded from the official Notion template gallery, one you made yourself, or even one shared by a friend. Typically, templates appear in the left sidebar. That's Notion's navigation pane, where all your pages and workspaces are listed. If you're ever unsure where your template is, remember that sidebar is basically your master table of contents for everything you've made or imported in Notion. Once you spot your template there, go ahead and hover your mouse over the template name on the left pane. You'll see 3 small dots appear right next to it. These dots are a kind of menu shortcut, like the Swiss Army knife for page controls. If you don't see them right away, just try slowly moving your cursor a little bit to the right of the page title until they pop up. Sometimes it takes a gentle touch. Now, click those 3 dots. This is your gateway to a menu packed with useful options, but today we're after one thing: duplicate. You'll see the option labeled Duplicate right in that menu. Clicking it tells Notion, make me a copy of this template exactly as it is now. It's really that simple, but let's look at what's actually happening behind the scenes. When you duplicate, Notion creates a clone of the entire template, including all the text, formatting, embedded photos or media, and even databases within that page. This is super important because it means you're not just copying what's visible, you're getting everything tucked inside so you have a true working copy to play with. For example, if your flashcards have custom tags, images, progress trackers, or reference links, all those details stick with it in your duplicate. It's like taking the original and giving yourself a brand new playground to experiment with without worrying about breaking or altering your main template. Your duplicated template will show up instantly in the sidebar, usually right below the original, with the same name plus the word copy. This part might take a few moments if the template is large or has a lot of media, but don't worry if you don't see it right away. Give it a second, and it should appear. Once it's there, you can rename it to whatever makes sense for your project. Just click the title at the top of the duplicated page and type in a new name. This helps keep your workspace tidy and makes it easy to tell versions apart. And that's really all there is to it. You now have a complete independent copy of your Notion template ready to use, tweak, or share as you wish. This can be especially helpful if you're collaborating with friends or classmates. Just duplicate the template, personalize your copy, and you're good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing how you're using Notion, and I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials, tips, and productivity tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.